I'm so thirsty. I remember when this used to say hello gorgeous. Now it's like, oh. Welcome back, loves. It's been a while since I filmed, but here I am again, filming and forgetting everything and all my steps. I need like a to-do list here and there and flashing lights, you know, because I'm blind also. So, but today's video is going to be on this look that I have here on my eyeballs. Okay, my eyelids, obviously it's on my eyeballs. But I decided to use the Juvias palette. I actually used two of them, but I only use one color from this, and you will see. But most of the colors have been from this Masquerade one. The reason I decided to do a look on that is because the video prior to this one is on the Juvias foundation and concealer. I went ahead and did a review about this, so if you have not watched that video, you know, hit pause, back it up, go back to the other one, take a peeky, see how this face here, you know, the outer part, not these, how it worked, and then come back. But you gotta come back because you want to see how I did the eyes. Anywho, this look that I did on my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and be showing it in this video. I'm not going to show you every step. You're not going to see like the foundation and the bronzer and all that stuff. I kind of show that over there because this color, you know, at first in the video, it looked ghostly. But go to that video so you can find out what happens with the foundation and the concealer. But for this one, this is all about eyes and these lashes here. You're going to see at the end when I talk about what this is, because this right here is a shocker. So stay tuned. Let's keep going. Let's get started. I don't know, I'm really hyper today, and I only have one cup of coffee. Okay, so that's it. This is my look. What you guys think? Did I do okay? I need a little more practice. You know, yes, I do. Everybody, we all still learning. Please do not ever believe anybody tell you, oh, I know everything. You know, oh, I went to school, and because I went to school, I know everything. No, we don't. None of us do. We just keep learning as we practice more and as we do things. And I'm just making sure. Sorry, I didn't mean to flick you off. I'm just making sure these suckers stay in place. Okay. I don't want to be talking to you and this stuck up here, okay? But anywho, this is the look that I created. The lashes that I do have on my eyes are from Wish. Yes, you heard right. These are Wish lashes. These suckers right here, 5 of them, only cost me $1. Hello, $1. And they're beautiful. They're very dramatic. I mean, this is not for you to go out every day and do your thing. This is just when you need a dramatic look, or you're going to some type of party or wedding or whatever it may be. Or for my case, I do this more for Instagram and YouTube. So that's why these go on. This is the first time using them. I used another pair that I got from them. There were also 5 of them for $1. So it's good. It's very good. But this look was fun to create, let me tell you. I did forget to use mascara before I put these suckers on, but it's all good because you can't tell, right? No. And if you can see them up close, you still can't tell. Okay, so it's all good. It's all good. The lipsticks that I used on my lips are from Juvias Cosmetics. The outer part is Everything Nice, and the inner part I did Aphrodite. Always messing this up, always. And I use Moira lip liner. This is in Brown Pecan. I love their lip liners. I actually love their eyebrow. This is a pomade from them, and I've been non-stop using this, and this is really, really good. Like, it blends lovely. It's easy. It in 2-3 minutes, I was gonna say seconds, minutes, it goes in good. But it's beautiful. My highlighter I actually used from this palette, believe it or not, guys. I went into Giza, which is this beautiful color right here, and I went all over my highlight points, and I did a little brow bone highlight, and my inner corner right here, this blinging, that's Giza. Okay, so don't forget that eyeshadows can be used as highlighters too. So I did actually mix it with a little bit of Dahia. I hope I said that right. I'm Latin, so we kind of like, you know, switch up our letters. But that one I went in a little bit just on top to kind of neutralize the banging. But it is a beautiful, look at that. Like, hello. Hello, I set my face with also Juvias Cosmetics. Can you tell I love this? It is like finishing, and I'm so sad. But anyway, guys, that is my video. Any questions that you may have, go ahead and ask them below. Everything that I used on my face is going to be down below. Other than that, please don't forget to hit like. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and the little notification bell so you are notified when I upload next. Other than that, you all take care. Have a great rest of your day, week, weekend. And I always like to end my videos with something positive. I wish that I was whimsical enough to think of a quote, but I don't. What I usually say just comes from my heart. And I just try to make sure that if you are having a bad day, don't stress it. Things will get better. You already know that life is like a roller coaster. You got your highs and your lows, so you got your goods and your bad. But at the end of the day, it always ends bad. And I analyze, this is probably a terrible thing, but it works for me. I usually, when I'm going through a tough time, I think this isn't as bad as so many people. Like, we cry about certain things, but there are people hungry out there. And here we are crying about something simple. So, yeah, don't let that don't let things ever get you down, because it will get better. So you all take care and have a good one. I'm out of here. Oh, you touched my nose. Oh, thank God this lipstick is not transfer proof, because that would have not been pretty. put together to get this color right here that you see in front of you. I forgot something. Cut, do not use.